Conversation AI chatbots are software programs designed to simulate human like conversation or interaction through text or speech. They leverage natural language processing (NLP), machine learning, and other techniques to understand and respond to users' queries or prompts in a conversational manner. Evolution of chatbots. Chatbots have evolved significantly over the years, from rule based systems with predefined responses to more sophisticated AI powered models capable of understanding context, intent, and even emotions. Components of conversational AI chatbots, natural language processing (NLP) enables chatbots to understand and interpret human language, including syntax, semantics, and context. Second, machine learning empowers chatbots to learn from interactions and improve their responses over the time. Dialogue management handles the flow of conversation, maintains context, and decides the appropriate responses. Integration with APIs and backend systems allows chatbot to access information or perform actions based on the user request. Use cases: customer service. Chatbots can provide instant assistance to customers, answering frequently asked questions and resolving issues without human intervention. E-commerce. Chatbots help users find products, make purchases, track orders, and provide recommendations based on the preferences. Healthcare. Chatbots can offer medical advice, schedule appointments, remind patients to take medications, and provide mental health support. Challenges and limitations. Understanding context. Chatbots sometimes struggle to understand the context of a conversation, leading to misunderstandings or incorrect responses. Emotional intelligence. While some chatbots are programmed to recognize and respond to emotions, achieving true emotional intelligence remains a challenge. Privacy and security. Chatbots may handle sensitive information, requiring robust security measures to protect user data and maintain trust. Ethical concerns. Issues such as bias in training data, manipulation, and unintended consequences raise ethical considerations in the development and deployment of chatbots. Future trends. Advancements in AI and NLP technology will continue to enhance the capabilities of conversational AI chatbots, enabling more natural and intelligent interactions. Integration with emerging technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality could create new immersive chatbot experiences. Personalization and customization will be key focus areas, allowing chatbots to tailor responses and services to individual users' preferences and needs.